Rock room.
$19.95 Cobra. It's all original. Nothing's ever been done to it. It's a one-owner car, and that's what we've scored in Pennsylvania today. Okay, we've made it to, I think, West Virginia now. The car is here. We're just doing some checks, make sure the straps and everything are still good, and that it's secured to the trailer before we head to Virginia, and then North Carolina, and then Tennessee, so on and so forth. But it's made it this far, so now hopefully it'll make it to Tennessee. We just got to the gas station. It's already costing me money.
Online shopping.
All right, let's get this battery in. Okay, we got the battery hooked up on it. This thing's been sitting since, what, 2016? It's her car, so she's wanting to drive it. So it may die if it just give it a little gas, keep it running since it's been sitting a while. Go ahead. Go ahead, turn the lights on it. We'll take it up there and drive it. There she goes with it. Okay, here we are. We're test driving it for the very first time. So here we go. Let's see. Clutch lets out a little high. Wonder high beam. Oh, never mind. I just forgot. These headlights suck on this old car. High beams are on over. The dingers. Yep, for some reason this light is not going off, the dinger, so I'm thinking the door ajar is the problem. So, how do you think about the old school versus the 2015 we did have?
It ain't got no 215.
It doesn't have nothing compared to a 2015, but
it is.
This is driving a real car. The 2015, everything's more hydraulic and easy to do. But first test drive is going good so far. Thumbs up. Let's go ahead and pull up here and turn around. Or, never mind, we just passed it. We'll pull down to the end and then I'll drive back. Let me test drive it. Okay, the wife just drove the car, so now I'm getting to test it out and see what I think. It's got some go. 95 snake. Got a little bit of a mist to it, but it's still got some juice under it. I like it. It definitely, I can feel the Hydro Boost braking's got some issues, or the ABS, but I like it. I like it a lot. So this is going to be the video of us just test driving it out. There's more to come, guys. Thanks for watching. The car that we went to Pennsylvania and picked up. This is the car that we saw on eBay, an all original, one owner, 1995 Ford Mustang Cobra by Special Vehicle Team. This car was driven and owned by an older woman who passed away, and her husband decided that he wanted to sell the car. Well, that's how now we've ended up with it. It has the original 5.0 V8, 5-speed transmission. It's even original all the way down to the factory exhaust system. Now, if the camera seems to be a little crooked, it's because my wife is standing on a chair right now holding it sideways, but she's doing the best she can. Best she can with what we have. But this is the car that's going to be our project on the channel. So as soon as we get ready to start doing some more videos, and we've got the Audi R8 rear spoiler system on that thing done and the taillights, we're going to start working on this. Then we're going to be getting to our Crown Victoria swapped. There's a B on you, huh?
Yeah.
But our Crown Victoria swap Ford F100. But this is it. This is the car, all original, one owner, low mileage, 5.0 Cobra. Okay, over here you can see where I'm working on the Audi. The spoiler, we just backed the Cobra in the shop. So Audi over here, Here we have the Cobra. And here we have the F100.